Hey guys, how you doing? I'm on the Emerald Princess right now. We're going to Hawaii. This is day 3. I want to show you the Princess app build they have on this ship here. Kind of give you a review of it. I use it somewhat, not a whole lot. The reason why, for a couple reasons. The one reason is that the app has glitches to it. Not perfect, but for those of you that don't know me, I'm not a hard guy to please. I'm pretty laid back, so it doesn't really affect me. I hear a lot of complaining about it though, but with all technology, you're gonna have some kind of problems, right? So first thing you do, you hit the app logo there. This is what you're gonna have on here. It tells you like your journey view and things like that, right? So you can scroll up on it if you want and look at certain things you want to check out, right? So here for me, it's like you can look at your journey activities timeline here. But see, this is a part of the problem people are having with it. It scrolls a lot. So that's kind of a problem. But this tells you what you can do every day, right? So like an example this morning, it's called stay and play if you want to do that. At the top one there, stay and play. You have things like, for you guys who are into working out and stuff, it's the morning Zumba fitness. That's just kind of cool, I guess. You also have things like tour de cycle. There's about 30 bikes on there on the floor. What floor is that? It's on the 7th floor at the Club Fusion. Club Fusion is like a big workout room for like Pilates, Zumba, bikes and stuff like that. So it kind of tells you the whole day. You have a complete agenda for the day if you want to do things. You got stuff like guess the price and win stretches and stuff like that. That's one part. The top here, you'll see the days already lined out for you, right? So you can see what you want to do Saturday, Sunday, Monday, whatever, right? So how do you do it? You just press, well, what's going on here Wednesday? You press Wednesday, that tells you what's going on for Wednesday, things like that. And so it's pretty cool. So even when you get to your destination, like on the 10th, we're gonna be in Kauai, in Hawaii, but believe it or not, not everybody hops off the boat for these excursions and to visit the islands. Now, my wife and I, of course, we're going to visit every island we land on, but some folks have things to do even on the boat. If they want to stay on the boat, they can do that. So you go back here, you look at your travel companions if you want. Just me and my wife, but sometimes people have, groups of people who go, you can look up who the person is and where they are if you want. Things like the big one here is the shoreside transactions. This kind of keeps track of what you're spending, on the shoreside transactions. This is for like excursions and stuff like that. We don't do a lot of excursions because we rent a car through Turo. I like Turo because you don't do a huge down payment like you do for Enterprise. We did Enterprise in February and last December, and I had to fight to get my deposit back. They take the money very fast, but they're very slow at returning the money. But Turo is through a private, like a person who owns a car. They want to rent their car off to somebody. That's how Turo works. That's what we did for 2 of the islands we're using Turo. Another one here is order. You can order things to your room or even where you are. So like, if you're on the 3rd floor, whatever, and say you're hanging out with some friends, you want some food brought to you, a Coke, coffee, whatever you want, drink, whatever, they bring it right to you, wherever you are. They use the locate system on you because this little medallion that I wear, it's also a locator, so they can locate where you are. Another thing too with this medallion is that when you come near your room, it'll green light your room. It'll be a green light on your room, which means your room will open up without any key. You just go there and open your room, and there you go. It's like a 5-foot proximity to your room. It opens up. So it's very nice to have this little medallion thing. Helps to locate you for drinks and whatever food you want, and also too, it opens up your door. And here you can kind of scroll through stuff you can have them bring you. It's kind of nice, right? Another thing too is here is the you can do you can put your photos in here. You can view your photos if you want. Now down here, I like this a lot. This here, the journey is really cool. Again, you kind of see what's going on, so go right to journey. Another thing too is you can manage your shipmates, meaning you can find out where your shipmates are at all times. It's kind of nice, right? There we go. There's my shipmate, my beautiful wife. So there we are. So things like that. This thing has a lot of cool things to it. Of course, the compass is very cool. Now, the compass tells you what is on every floor, every deck of the ship. You can hit, see, like right now we're on deck 5, right? But I can go to deck 7, hit deck 7. It tells me what's on deck 7. And so that's kind of how the app works. There's more functions to it. Let's try and give you a little brief overlay of it and everything. What do I think about it? I think it's okay. I give it a B minus, you know. I mean, again, you know, people are just complaining all day long about it, but come on, it's technology, man. You know, nothing's gonna work perfect, right? That's kind of how I see life, you know. I'm not a hard guy to please. So a lot of people here, they complain about stuff like this, but I don't have those kind of complaints because it's just a nice thing. It's a nice extra tool to use while you're on a cruise, you know. And for a guy like me, if you're like me, you lay back, hey, it's gonna work most of the time. Sometimes it doesn't work, but you're still gonna have fun, man. You're on a cruise, you know. You're taking a break from life, you know. So I don't really freak out about stuff like that. But I hope this helps you out on your cruises. This is a Emerald Princess Emerald, whatever you want to say. I'm enjoying my time. This app has helped me out a lot. Again, it's got about a 75% success rate, a 25% failure rate. So, and the Wi-Fi connection. Now, when I use the Wi-Fi, just Wi-Fi without the app, you know, it works great. What I did, you could buy a package, okay, for the Wi-Fi on the ship. It's about 640 bucks for the package for 15 days. But okay, here's my philosophy. It might not be yours, but this is my philosophy, is that I'm here to cruise. I'm here to take a break from life, right? So what I've done is that yesterday we bought a 1-day, 24-hour Wi-Fi package, which costs for one phone is 20 bucks. For 4 phones, it's 40 bucks, right? For 24 hours. Now, some folks bought that $640 package, but it doesn't make any sense because once we go to Hawaii, we'll have regular service again. So we have 4 days of regular service, right? Nothing charged extra, of course. And then, so I do 1 day yesterday. My 3rd day, I did the Wi-Fi. Okay, paid 40 bucks, my wife and I. Regular service on the islands, all 4 days, no big deal. Then on the way back, because we have 5 days out at sea, I'll use it again one more time. So it's, for us, it costs 80 bucks for Wi-Fi versus 640 bucks. Now I know some folks work and travel, not me. I'm doing 40 bucks before I get to Hawaii and 40 bucks after I get to Hawaii. That's 80 bucks versus $640. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys out. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. You take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.